subway in the subway station. Smelled it before I saw the signs. Even in France, the smell is the same. Here we are exiting the Bellecour station. Looks like this restaurant, Brasserie Chavant, has seating all across the street, the little street. Okay, we've just arrived at this little dock on the river for a small cruise. What have we just boarded, Christy?
The Batu. It's a river.
What's the name of this river?
I think the Rhone,
The Saone.
one of those two.
All these very difficult to pronounce French words, but this is the scenery.
Oh, there's the Fourviere.
Fourviere.
We also want to go up to that Basilica up there.
Got it.
On your left, the Fourvière hill with the Basilica. It was from the top of this hill where Lugdunum, the Roman city, was built in 43 before Christ by Lucius Menacius Plancus, one of Caesar's lieutenants. Just in front of us in the sun, you have the second hill of Lyon, Croix-Rousse, Red Cross Hill, known after a cross made of red stone erected there in the 16th century and destroyed many times. The history of the Croix-Rousse Hill is inseparable from the silk trade in Lyon. The silk was the biggest wealth of the city. 1 kilo of silk was approximately equal to 1 kilo of gold. The Eiffel Tower. It's a man which is carrying himself in front of justice. Il est son sauveur ou son fardeau. He is his savior or his burden. Qui est fait de voiles métalliques blanches qui permettent d'apporter une belle lumière naturelle au bâtiment. At the front left of the boat you can see the shopping center Confluence, with its roof made of white metallic ship sails, giving a natural light into the building. Civilizations immigrated in 2014 and has been designed by an Austrian agency called Coupe Himmelblau. They wanted to represent here a big cloud, but this museum looks like more a spaceship. And like the exhibitions inside, you will travel through centuries.
There's a boat there that's covered in trees. It's basically a garden now.
Quand vous reviendrez à Lyon, si vous souhaitez dormir sur l'un de ces bateaux, c'est tout à fait possible.